Mound southwest corner. This large terrace was a late addition to the front of Monk's Mound by the Mississippians. Excavations on the southwest corner found that several large ceremonial buildings were burned around AD 1150. The Mississippians constructed a small platform mound and a new building, then rebuilt it 8 times over the next 100 years. Thus, the visible rise at the corner. The Cahokia sub-tribe of the Illinois Confederacy, who had come to this region in the early 1600s, moved here and maintained a village on this first terrace from about 1735 to 1752, 4 centuries after the site had been abandoned by the Mississippians. French priests built a chapel for the Cahokia, after whom the site is named at this same location.
To hear and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
To the south is the Grain Plaza, one of the largest communal public spaces in the Americas. It covers an area of about 45 acres and spreads from Monk's Mound south to the Twin Mounds. Numbers 59 and 60. The Twin Mounds are the tallest mounds after Monk's Mound. They shared a common platform and may have been a mortuary complex where they stored dead bodies. The Grand Plaza's western edge is bordered by mounds 48 and 57, and its eastern edge by mounds 51, 54, and 55. Within the plaza are mounds 49 and 56. Creating this space was quite an amazing feat. The natural ridge and swall topography was cut and filled to create a level plain, one that likely was used for festivals, games such as Chunkney, shown here, and markets and public gatherings. So I guess that's Chunkney, where they chased each other around with fucking spears. Sounds like a really fun game. Yep. Ow.
This place is huge.
West view, directly west behind the trees are 2 large mounds, 41 and 39, and the smaller mound. Further west, and 77. Further west of the open field is the large mound 42, as well as several smaller mounds. The Woodhenge reconstruction is west of this cluster of mounds at the end of the open field. Woodhenge is a solar calendar. You were right.
Yeah.
Discovered in 1961 during excavations for a proposed interstate route, which was later rerouted. This structure was built at least 5 times, each time increasing in size by 12 posts. This painting by L.K. Townsend depicts Woodhenge under construction looking east towards Monk's Mound.
It looks good though. The way they built those mounds, I wonder what happened to their city.
Look, it shows you St. Louis compared to. It said it kept getting burned down.
I wonder what made them stop, like trying to expand.
Facing east, the first mound you see is Mound 36, the largest mound bordering the East Plaza. East of this, you see reconstructions of segments of the first and second stockades. The stockade was a long wall, nearly 2 miles long, around the center precinct of the city. Regularly spaced bastions, or guard towers, indicate that it was primarily a defensive structure. It was constructed 4 times from 1175 to 1275 and used some 15,000 to 20,000 logs, at least 12 feet in length each time, set into trenches about 4 feet deep. The walls were likely covered with a type of plaster made with a mixture of clay and prairie grass to protect from weather and fire. We have simulated this with modern materials. Just east of the stockade are a cluster of about 15 smaller mounds flanking the earlier East Plaza and the later Ramey Plaza. Beyond the tree line are several mounds within the modern subdivision, and about a mile farther are mounds 1 and 2 at the eastern end of the city.
That I should be. I'll get you, now you beg me please. Hey, now I stay away, you were never meant to save me. Now I stay away, I wanna hear you say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Tried for you, you wouldn't play alone. I got you in my sight.
104 foot by 48 foot once stood on the north end of Monk's Mound. Large pits in the center held posts supporting the roof, which could have been 40 feet tall. A fenced courtyard surrounded the building and a large post stood in front of it. The western side of the building was damaged when the west side of the mound collapsed. From here, it is likely that important meetings and ceremonies took place that impacted the immediate community as well as the region. The building was later dismantled, and several feet of soil covered this location, forming the slightly higher fourth terrace.
Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you.
guess I never know where it went wrong. Sometimes I feel like all that's said, 'cause viral then people forget. In this crazy world I don't belong. I see fire burning but I close my eyes. I'd rather deny that. Everything is falling out of place. I see trees ripped from the ground but nobody makes a sound. I see fire burning but I'm fine. I am nobody. Feel so unsure. Didn't we deserve more? The burden that you left is way too heavy for me. Do you ever feel like the world would die out? My anxiety's off the roof, I cry out. We have gone too far, take me back right now. I see fire burning but I close my eyes. I'd rather deny that. Everything is falling out of place.
The central ceremonial precinct of Cahokia was enclosed by a defensive wall,
pay
the
attention.
stockade or palisade. It was built of upright logs placed in 4 to 5 foot deep trenches and probably stood 10 to 15 feet high above the ground. It would take an estimated 15 to 20,000 logs to fill this wall that is nearly 2 miles long. At regular intervals, about 85 feet center to center, were bastions, guard towers with raised platforms for warriors to protect the front of the wall. L-shaped entryways were occasionally placed between bastions. The stockade would also serve a social function. The wall enclosed an area of nearly 200 acres, including Monk's Mound and 17 other mounds. Those living inside the sacred precinct were somehow different from those living outside, possibly related to the ruling of elite. However, it is likely that all citizens would be allowed inside for festivals and ceremonies or to help defend if needed. It is not known if the enemy were local or from distant areas or if the site was ever attacked. The wood does not survive, but archaeologists can see dark linear stains in the soil markings where the trenches had been dug into the lighter subsoils. 4 constructions of walls are evident, often overlapping each other with the size and shape of the bastions changing each time. As shown in these illustrations, the wall was rebuilt several times between AD 1150 to 1250. And new walls were placed in old decaying ones spaced about 85-foot intervals where were defensive towers from which bow and arrow combat would be effectively waged and L-shaped entryways could be guarded. With each new construction, the spacing between bastions became more precise, indicating a standard used to measure development. Map of the stockade excavations in this part of the site showing the 4 constructions of the walls and their associated bastions and gates. So,